Yes, the barbers opened up yesterday and I finally got a haircut. Feel so lightheaded now, so relaxed. Yes, Ramadan is finally here. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. Muslims who take part in this month do not eat or drink during the daylight hours. Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. These are the 5 compulsory acts ordered by God or Allah. Compulsory means you must do it because it is a rule of law. Muslims believe that the first few verses of the Quran were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad during the month of Ramadan. That is why a lot of importance is given to reciting the Quran during this month. Muslims have an early morning meal before dawn. Dawn is the time period when the light from the sun begins to appear. This pre-dawn meal is known as suhoor or sehri. Muslims then break their fast after sunset and have the evening meal, which is known as the iftar or fitur. Ramadan is also a time when Muslims are encouraged to give charity, strengthen their relationship with God, and show kindness and patience. Yes, patience. For example, I last had something to eat at 4:30 in the morning. It is 4 p.m. now, and I need to wait another 4.5 hours before I can eat anything. I have to be patient. I'm so hungry right now, I could eat a horse. But it is not just food and drink. Muslims are strongly encouraged to stay away from all types of sins, bad deeds or bad actions, such as backbiting. Backbiting is when you speak badly about people behind their backs. He is always talking a lot, isn't he? Yeah, I know. He doesn't stop and it's so boring. Yeah, I know. I can't stand listening to him. Just yap, yap, yap. Yeah, I know what you mean. He should just be quiet. Yeah, but don't tell him I said that. Also, taking part in arguments. Arguments is when people disagree in an angry way. Why don't you explain to them properly what argument means? I am explaining to them properly. I'm doing it right now. No, you're not. They never understand you properly. Yes, they do understand me properly. I explain things clearly all the time. You never explain things properly. I do explain things properly. I'm explaining to them right now with your help. Who can fast during Ramadan? Fasting should only be done by people who are in good health. Some Muslims who are exempt. Exempt means they are excused from the obligation and don't have to fast. Those who are sick or ill, young children, although some may begin to practice early, pregnant and breastfeeding women, menstruating women, and travelers. The end of Ramadan is celebrated with the festival of Eid al-Fitr. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Ramadan is one of the 5 of Islam. Number 2. The early morning meal is called. Number 3. The evening meal that breaks the fast is called. Number 4. Muslims are encouraged to give in Ramadan. And number 5. At the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate. Write your answers in the comments section below. Ramadan is a very special month. During this month, people try and be the best versions of themselves. They give charity, be nice to others. Let's share the goodness of this month with others, Muslims and non-Muslims. Happy Ramadan to everyone. Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem. See you again very soon in the next video.